A day in a life as an HM student. It's more fun in the Philippines. Tara!
Itong 7 pesos pang milyon. Saan yung pag, ano ko?
Oh, ba't na galit na naman ang tao na yan?
So, first of all, I would like to thank God because we made it here. Secondly, I would like to thank our instructor, our beloved, most beautiful person in the world, Dr. Genevieve Terzana. And for our visitors, thank you for indulging our bread and pastry made with our heart. And lastly, I would like to thank all of my blockmates, classmates who worked hard. Nagpagod tayo, hindi lang from this day, from last week pa, and deserve natin na sumaya din and mag-enjoy din for today. So, as I end this fest, I would like to say thank